wiki.easybid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 9 best fall protection kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. Featuring quick connect chest and leg buckles, the Peakworks Harness is a breeze to put on and adjust. The lanyard is made from tear webbing, which is designed to absorb shock and reduce the amount of force on your body during a fall. The hook has a braking load of 5,000 pounds, and this one's suitable for users with small frames, but the lanyard is not detachable. At number 8, support your back and hips with the SOOHA Safety, which boasts a wide padded belt and suspension seat lined with breathable perforated foam to keep you cool in high temperatures. It won't bunch up or tangle and is designed to move with you to avoid rubbing and chafing. It repels dirt and water and has a 300-pound weight capacity. However, it may be too small for tall users. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the kseibi full body is made from a polyester webbing that's strong yet lightweight, and the straps can be adjusted at 5 points for a customized fit. The included restraint lanyard has an abrasion-resistant thimble to prevent it from being damaged by the scaffold hook. This one comes in at a budget-friendly price with powder-coated metal fittings, but it fits only waists up to 42 inches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for fall protection kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, the FullTech Contractor features a 5-point adjustable harness with tongue buckle leg straps, a hinged anchor that will fit almost any roof peak, and a 50-foot vertical lifeline with a double-locking snap hook and a tensile strength of 8,500 pounds. It includes a lanyard with a self-tracking rope grab and a 5-gallon bucket for storage. However, the size is a bit small. Moving up our list to number 5. The Super Anchor Max V is comprised of a high-visibility full-body harness, a 50-foot Maxima lifeline, a universal roof anchor, an energy-absorbing lanyard, and a dual-cam mechanical rope grab that grips automatically in the event of a fall. It comes with a detailed manual in English and Spanish and is good value for the price. Replacement parts are readily available. At number 4, with its bright yellow straps, the Kseibi Typhoon ensures that you'll be easy to see even in dim lighting and overcast weather. It's assembled using both lock and back stitching for added strength and comes with a convenient detachable pouch to hold your phone and ID. It includes a water-repellent webbing, 2 hip rings on the sides, and a carrying bag and a tool lanyard too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Designed for comfort, the Medaka Industry offers plenty of padding for your back and shoulders, and the leg straps are lined with mesh to help wick away heat. It comes with a Mad Dog retractable lanyard and a handy black duffel bag to carry your gear. It features corrosion-resistant hardware and a tensile strength of 7,000 pounds. It fits sizes medium to XXL. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for fall protection kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, ideal for working with cranes, trees, and electrical lines, the Kseibi Hurricane includes a gibbon grip cross-arm strap that can be anchored to I-beams, trusses, and other overhead structures, plus a lanyard attachment for tools weighing up to 10 pounds. It boasts padded back support and D-rings for an easy pass-through. It's OSHA and ANSI compliant. And taking the top spot on our list, the Guardian Bucket of Safe Tie comes with a heavy-duty reusable temper anchor that can be attached to most roofs with a pitch of up to 12/12 using the included screws. The 50-foot lifeline is made from a high-strength UV-resistant material that won't absorb moisture. It includes a shock-absorbing lanyard and a Qualcraft impact indicator tag. It offers a maximum arresting force of 900 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for fall protection kits, or simply click beneath this video.